Hi, in this video I'll be showing you a quick remedy that I use to remove earwax from my ears. With this method, you can easily remove earwax safely at home. For the past few weeks, I've been battling this stubborn earwax that has literally blocked my ear and reduces my hearing drastically, especially in my right ear. I should have gone to the hospital to have it removed at once. I don't know about you though, but for me, I hate going to the hospital. I just, for some reason, have a buildup of wax that accumulates over time. So I found this remedy and it worked for me. I thought let me share it with you too, my friend. It is safe and you can do it yourself. These are the things you're going to need: olive oil, hydrogen peroxide, earwax removal syringe, 2 liquid medicine droppers. First thing you're going to do is open up your olive oil and fill up the liquid dropper. Put few drops in one ear. Lay on one side for about 15 minutes. Use toilet paper to clean the ear. Turn around and do the other ear. Do this for 3 days. The olive oil will help soften the earwax for easy removal. If you're getting value from this video so far, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's continue. So on the 4th day, you're going to open up your hydrogen peroxide and fill up the liquid dropper. Put 4 to 5 drops in one ear, lay on one side for 10 to 15 minutes. You can actually feel it fizzling in your ear, but don't worry, it's killing all the bacteria in your ear and also helps in detaching the wax from the canal. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, or when the fizzling has stopped, just go to your sink, use a toilet paper to soak up the remaining liquid from your ear. Now get some warm water, not cold and definitely not hot, just a bit warm. Then use your earwax removal syringe to inject the water into your ear. Do 10 to 15 pumps, you'd notice wax starting to fall into the sink. Chunks of wax actually. It's kind of gross, but you'll notice your hearing starting to increase. Repeat this process for both ears. Do this for 3 days and all the wax would have been removed and your hearing will become clearer. In fact, you'll feel like you're some kind of a superhuman for a few days. So if you're suffering from ear blockage, try this method. It worked for me. Use olive oil to soften the wax for 3 days, and the next 3 days, use hydrogen peroxide to detach the wax from the canal. Then use an earwax removal syringe with warm water to pump the wax out. It's easy and it's safe. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.